So guys, to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, scroll a little bit, and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, tap on it to open it. Then after that, what you have to do next is to tap on apps and notifications. Now what you have to do again is you have to tap on see all apps. So after tapping on see all apps, you're going to see that it's going to load. And after loading, you're going to see all your app listed over here. So what you have to do is to search for HMRC app. So you just have to scroll, and when you find it, what you have to do is to just tap on it to open it. So let's try to search for it. So now let's tap on it. After that, when you get over here, tap on the storage and cache, tap on the clear cache. Now go back, tap on the force stop, tap on OK. After that, tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on. So after doing this, go back and tap on permissions and make sure you allow the camera and also the storage permission. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is turned on. Now go back and go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, what you have to do over here is you have to tap over here on the update. So when you tap on the update, you're going to see that it's going to reinstall on your device successfully, and after reinstalling it, you're going to get it fixed. So this is how to fix the problem. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.